The truck industry doesn't want you to hear this. Right now, shiny new pickups are sitting on dealer lots across America, and they look solid, powerful, rugged, dependable. But beneath the marketing and chrome lies a truth that'll make your wallet hurt, because not every truck holding a Built Tough badge actually lives up to it. Some are engineered to lose value faster than you can finish your payments, and by 2026, owning one of these could be a financial nightmare. I'm talking about 7 trucks. Trucks that promise durability but deliver disappointment. They look great in the showroom. They feel powerful on test drives, but after a few years of ownership, they drain your bank account, lose value like a sinking ship, and rack up repair bills that make you question everything. I'm your host from NextGen Wheels, and today we're exposing the 7 trucks that will destroy your wallet before 2026. Let's count them down, from bad to catastrophic. 7. Nissan Frontier, the old dog that never learned new tricks. The Nissan Frontier has been trying to play catch-up for nearly 2 decades. Yes, it finally got a redesign. New styling, a beefier V6, and a few tech updates. But here's the ugly truth. The Frontier still bleeds value faster than most mid-sized trucks on the road. Within 5 years, you're looking at around 40% depreciation, compared to the Toyota Tacoma's legendary resale rate at about 26%. That means if you buy a $40,000 Frontier, you'll lose over $16,000 in just 5 years. Nearly $5,000 more than if you bought a Tacoma. Why? Because even though Nissan upgraded the looks, they never solved the deeper issues: reliability perception, interior quality, and resale trust. Ask any used truck dealer. Frontiers just don't hold demand. The Tacoma has a loyal fan base, the Frontier has discounts. So unless you love watching money disappear, stay cautious. 6. Chevy Colorado, the midsize that looks strong but ages fast. The new Chevy Colorado made waves when it launched with bold design and a turbo engine lineup. On paper, it's smart. In reality, it's complicated. Owners are reporting mixed reliability, questionable transmission tuning, and interior materials that feel tired after just a few years. And here's the kicker. Colorado's projected 5-year resale value sits around 58%, lagging behind the Toyota Tacoma and Honda Ridgeline. Combine that with a turbocharged engine that drinks fuel when towing, and you've got a recipe for regret. Sure, it's fast, but speed doesn't save resale value. By 2026, analysts expect the Colorado to lose nearly $18,000 in average value. You can do better. Your Jeep Gladiator, the off-road dream that turns into a financial sinkhole. You see one, you want one. The Jeep Gladiator looks like freedom on 4 wheels. It's bold, adventurous, and ready to climb mountains. But here's the financial cliff nobody tells you about. Owning one long-term is brutal. Between poor fuel economy, high repair frequency, and premium parts, the Gladiator racks up costs that could buy you another used truck. And while it's off-road capable, that lifestyle comes with consequences: wear, tear, and resale value that plummets fast. Its 5-year depreciation sits at nearly 45%, and once the warranty ends, maintenance gets pricey. Even loyal Jeep fans admit the Gladiator is more show than go for most buyers. It's a weekend toy that pretends to be a daily driver, and your bank account pays the price. 4. Ford Ranger, the comeback that never quite landed. Ford hyped up the Ranger's return like a rebirth of a legend. But let's be honest, it never really became the mid-size truck America expected. Sure, it's got solid towing numbers and a decent 2.3L turbo engine, but reliability ratings and ownership satisfaction haven't matched the hype. In the used market, Rangers are dropping in value faster than Tacoma or even GMC Canyon. Projected 5-year depreciation over 42%. Why? Because Ford focused on features, not refinement. Transmission shudder, electrical gremlins, and interior wear have left owners frustrated. And with the new 2024 redesign, older Rangers are already losing appeal. That's bad news if you bought one recently. If you're looking for a midsize that actually holds up, the Tacoma or even the Ridgeline are safer bets. 3. GMC Sierra 1500, the luxury truck with expensive secrets. The Sierra 1500 looks premium. Massive grille, high-end leather, big powertrains. It's GM's way of saying, who needs a Cadillac when you've got a truck? But here's the problem. Owning one feels like buying a luxury car with pickup problems. Air suspension issues, transmission failures, infotainment glitches, they're all too common. And while it rides smooth when new, the resale crash hits hard. Average depreciation sits at around 46% in 5 years, with repair costs averaging 15% higher than the F-150 or Ram 1500. And because luxury trucks appeal to a smaller audience, used buyers hesitate. Fewer buyers mean weaker resale. So yes, it's comfortable, but it's comfort that costs you thousands. Number 2. Ram 1500 Eco Diesel, the engine that broke hearts and budgets. The Ram 1500 Eco Diesel was supposed to be the perfect blend of power and efficiency. It promised torque, towing, and better MPG, but ended up earning a reputation for heartbreak. From oil leaks to EGR issues and sensor failures, the Eco Diesel has been one of the most problematic modern truck engines. And that's not just talk. Ram discontinued it completely by 2024. That means parts will become rarer, resale will nosedive, and long-term support will vanish. Depreciation estimates over 50% by 2026. So while the regular Hemi Ram holds up okay, the Eco Diesel variant is a time bomb for your wallet. If you're eyeing a used one, walk away. Burr 1. Ford F-150. Lightning, the EV revolution that's losing charge fast. Here it is, the most controversial truck of the decade. The Ford F-150 Lightning was marketed as the future, an all-electric pickup that could power your house, save the planet, and revolutionize trucking. But the reality has been rough. Battery costs, software recalls, winter range drops, and charging network gaps have all chipped away at its promise. And now resale numbers are falling off a cliff. In 2023, used Lightnings were already selling for 30% less than their original MSRP after just 1 year. By 2026, that number could easily cross 50% depreciation. That's catastrophic for a truck that started near $70,000. Add in expensive insurance and battery replacement anxiety, and it's clear. This electric dream is turning into a financial nightmare. The F-150 Lightning may represent innovation, but for most buyers it represents regret. The final word. So there you have it. 7 trucks that look tough, sound powerful, and sell big dreams, but will quietly destroy your wallet before 2026. Manufacturers won't warn you. Dealers won't mention it, but the data doesn't lie. Depreciation, reliability, and repair costs tell the real story. So before you sign that deal, do your research. Buy smart, buy informed, and always remember, flashy features fade fast, but real engineering lasts. This is NextGen Wheels, bringing you the truth that automakers won't advertise. If you value honesty over hype, hit that subscribe button. Because it's real truck talk. No sponsorships. No sugarcoating. Just the truth on 4 wheels. Subscribe to NextGen Wheels for real truck talk. No sponsorships, no sugarcoating.